the continents. What is a continent? A continent is one of several large landmasses on Earth. They are mostly divided by water and caused by plate tectonics. Plate tectonics are large-scale motions of Earth's lithosphere, which is the outermost shell of a rocky planet, which would be the crust of the Earth. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents in total. There is North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Asia, Africa, and Australia. Pangea. Pangea is when all the continents were in one piece. Then the pieces drifted apart. There are 3 phases to this breakup. The first began in early Middle Jurassic. The second began in early Cretaceous, and the third occurred in early Cenozoic. North America. It's the 3rd largest continent. It contains 23 countries and dozens of territories. It is bordered by the Arctic, Atlantic, and Pacific Oceans. The Arctic is above Canada. The Atlantic is to the east of North America, and Pacific is to the west by California. It is also bordered by the Caribbean Sea and the Gulf of Mexico. It contains the Caribbean and Central America countries, Canada, Mexico, and the United States of America and Greenland. South America. It's the 4th largest continent. It contains 12 independent countries and 3 major territories. For example, it has Chile, Brazil, and Argentina. It has the Falkland Islands, the Galapagos Islands, and the French Guiana. Its capital city is La Paz, Bolivia. Antarctica. It takes up 8.9% of Earth's land. It has no capital city. It has the Antarctic Circle, one of 5 major circles, and it's the coldest, windiest spot on Earth. Europe. It's the 6th largest continent. It contains 47 countries, assorted dependencies, islands, and territories. It covers 2% of Earth's land. It is surrounded by numerous bodies of water, and it's separated from Africa by the Mediterranean Sea. Asia. It's the largest continent. It takes up 8.7% of Earth's land. It is bordered by numerous bodies of water also, and it has over 3.8 billion people. Africa. It's the 2nd largest continent. It includes 54 individual countries. It is surrounded by various bodies of water. It's the 2nd most populous continent after Asia, and it has just over 1 billion people, which is 14% of the world's population. Australia. It's the smallest continent of the 7. It takes up 5.3% of Earth's land. Its population is 32 million, and it combines all of Australia, New Zealand, the Papua New Guinea, and thousands of coral atolls and volcanic islands. There are many animals on each continent, but here are a few interesting ones. In North America, you have the ocelot, which is a dwarf leopard, like a wild cat. You have bald eagles, eastern coral snakes, 9-banded armadillos, and caribou, which is a type of deer. In South America, you have the capybara, which is a large rodent that lives near water, forests, and savannas. You have giant tortoise and anacondas. In Antarctica, you have the wandering albatross, which is a large white seabird. You have polar bears, penguins, and seals. In Europe, you have a komondor, which is a dog. You have the European lynx, which is a medium-sized wild cat. You have the alpine ibex, which is a wild goat, and an alpine marmot, which is a ground squirrel. In Asia, you have the sun bear, red panda, tapir, Bengal tiger, and the Siamang gibbon, which is a black-furred monkey. In Africa, you have the wildebeest, an antelope-hoofed mammal, ostrich, zebra, and warthogs. In Australia, you have the blobfish, platypus, kiwis, not the fruit, but a flightless bird, koalas, and kangaroos. Here are some fun facts about each continent. Europe learns that there are only 6 continents. It learns that North America and South America are made to be one. So there leaves Europe, Asia, Africa, Antarctica, and Australia, and then North America and South America as one, which they call Americas. In South America, you have the Angel Falls in Venezuela, which is the highest waterfall. You have the Andes Mountains, which is the longest mountain range. You have the Amazon River, which is the longest river, and the Atacama Desert, which is the driest place on Earth. In Antarctica, it is 98% solid ice. Europe is not a continent by geographic definition, but is part of Eurasia. Turkey is considered a part of Europe and Asia. It is considered a part of two continents, not only one. South Sudan is Africa's newest country. Australia is now considered as Australia Oceania, not just Australia, and Pangaea means all lands in Greek.